Hi, this is Timothy Jackson. Welcome to Module 15, 5 New Technologies. And this is my fourth new technology, which is called Easel.ly, or Easily. Now, why I selected this one is a fun and interactive tool for creating infographics, which can be used in a variety of ways in a social studies class. And my purpose for this particular technology is to have students use this technology to create a timeline or maybe some of their own versions of infographics that I give them in class, like the Mandate of Heaven diagram. That's a diagram or infographic, if you will, that they have to memorize. It's kind of like the water cycle, only it's the Mandate of Heaven and it relates to China. Anyway, this purpose aligns to ISTET1.A and ISTET2.D. The audience for Easily is students. So when you create your account, you'll be given this screen, and you can open a blank infographic and just kind of start from scratch or work your way there. Or if you want an idea, they have a number of free infographics that you can use as a template. And they all look pretty nice as well. So we're just going to choose one to work from, and let's choose the tree timeline. And there it is. And so they've already done the hard work, and they've made this look very nice for us. The tree timeline. Now, for your particular project, you are probably going to want to create something else, maybe like the Mandate of Heaven. So obviously we would go in and change all of these. So instead of having tree timeline, you would change that to Mandate of Heaven. And then you're probably going to want to make that font just a tiny bit smaller so it can all fit since it's different. There we go. Mandate of Heaven infographic. And then from there, you would go in and you could just click on each one of these and just fill in what you like. The nice thing is that anything and everything can be adjusted in here. So I don't know what all this stuff is saying right here, and we don't really need it, so we can delete it. The tree can be deleted if we want and replaced with something else. So you have the opportunity to upload stuff if you want, and you can make pictures of graphs or something in a different program and save it as a JPEG, upload it here, and put it on your infographic. So I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead and sort of make a very skeletal version of the Mandate of Heaven diagram. Alright, so I've gone in and I've made everything the way I want it to be, and you can see that it's changed. So we have new dynasty, dynasty becomes stronger, dynasty weakens, storms, peasant rebellions, and foreign invasions occur, rebellion occurs, and the old dynasty is removed, and then it starts all over again. So I just went in and I made this one my own. Now, you can click on preview and kind of have a look at it. Yep, there it is. That's what it's going to look like. Looking pretty good. I like that. And then you have a number of options once it's done. First off, you can download it as a PDF. You can also share, so someone could edit this along with you, or you could share a link, give a shareable link, just like on Google. But for our purposes, let's just download it as a PDF, just because. Oh, well, that's actually a pro thing, so that's not going to work then. On that case, we would just save as, and we would call it Mandate of Heaven. So that is Easily, and thank you for watching.